Welcome to this learning module on delegation, one of the key competencies of AI fluency. As professionals, we are increasingly working alongside AI tools such as Microsoft Copilot, ChatGPT, and other intelligent assistants. However, successful AI adoption is not simply about using AI tools. It is about knowing what to do yourself, what to do with AI, and what to let AI handle independently. This skill is called delegation. Delegation helps us work more effectively and efficiently by combining human expertise with AI capabilities in the right way. Let's explore how. Understanding delegation in an AI-powered workplace. When many people think about AI, they assume the goal is to automate everything. But effective AI collaboration is not about handing over all your work to a machine. Instead, delegation involves making thoughtful decisions about what tasks require human judgment. What tasks can be accelerated using AI assistance? What tasks can be fully automated? Think of AI as a highly capable team member. Just like you wouldn't assign every task to a single employee, you shouldn't give every task to AI either. The key is understanding the strengths of both humans and AI and assigning work accordingly. To do this successfully, there are three important concepts you must understand: problem awareness, platform awareness, task delegation. Let's look at each one. Part 1. Problem awareness. The first step in effective delegation is understanding your problem clearly. Before opening an AI tool and typing a prompt, ask yourself, what am I trying to achieve? What problem am I solving? What does success look like? What outcome am I expecting? For example, imagine you're preparing a sales presentation for a client. If your objective is unclear, the AI may generate content that looks impressive but doesn't serve the business purpose. A clear understanding of the problem helps you guide AI more effectively. You should also analyze the type of work involved. Ask yourself, are there repetitive tasks that consume time? Are there areas where I need more information? Do I need brainstorming support? Does the task require critical business judgment? Remember, AI can assist with many things, but it cannot fully replace your domain expertise. The most successful professionals are experts in their field first and effective AI users second. This ability to clearly define goals and understand the required work is called problem awareness. Part 2. Platform awareness. Once you understand the problem, the next step is understanding the AI tools available to you. Not all AI platforms are the same. Different AI systems have different strengths. Some are excellent at generating creative content. Others are stronger in analysis, coding, research, summarization, or automation. For example, one AI tool may provide quick responses. Another may deliver deeper analysis. Some prioritize creativity. Others focus on accuracy and reliability. As AI technologies evolve rapidly, staying updated is important. The best way to develop platform awareness is through experimentation. Try different AI tools. Compare their outputs. Understand their strengths and limitations. Ask yourself, which tool performs best for my type of work? Which AI can help me save time? Which AI delivers the most accurate results? Which platform integrates with my existing workflows? The more experience you gain, the better decisions you can make about which AI system to use. This understanding is called platform awareness. It means having a practical knowledge of available AI systems and knowing where each one can deliver value. Part 3. Task delegation. Now comes the most important part. Once you understand the problem and the available AI tools, you can begin distributing the work strategically. This is known as task delegation. Think of a typical business process. Some activities are repetitive and rule-based. These are good candidates for automation. For example, scheduling meetings, drafting routine emails, data summarization, report generation. Other activities benefit from human-AI collaboration. Examples include brainstorming ideas, creating presentations, developing marketing strategies, drafting proposals. In these situations, AI assists while humans guide, review, and improve the output. Finally, some activities should remain primarily human-driven. These include ethical decision-making, final approvals, sensitive customer interactions, strategic business decisions, high-stakes problem-solving. These tasks require judgment, accountability, and contextual understanding that humans provide. Effective delegation means choosing the right approach for each task. Automate where appropriate. Collaborate where AI can augment human capabilities. Retain human ownership where judgment is critical. When done correctly, this creates the best outcomes for productivity, quality, and innovation. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. Effective AI delegation consists of 3 key elements. Problem awareness. Understand your goals, challenges, and desired outcomes. Platform awareness. Understand the capabilities and limitations of different AI systems. Task delegation. Strategically divide work between humans and AI based on their strengths. Remember, AI is not a replacement for human expertise. The real value comes when people and AI work together, each contributing what they do best. Successful professionals don't simply ask, "Can AI do this?" They ask, "Who should do this task for the best possible outcome?" That mindset is the foundation of effective AI delegation and a critical skill for thriving in today's AI-powered workplace. Thank you for participating, and we'll see you in the next module.